It is a rainy day in the beautiful sunshine state of Florida, and I had to put the tarp up. But in order to change a fuel pressure regulator, it is back here. Some people take the whole intake manifold off, but necessarily you don't have to. So let me see if I can find it. There it is, down there. You can actually pull it off from up here. Get the two bolts, one over there and one over here, off the 10mm. Pull it off, and there's a fuel line right there. Then you can just shove it from the bottom of this harness right there. Then we'll pull back out. Then you just shove it back in there at a certain angle, and see, the shiny part. That's a fuel pressure regulator. And disconnect this top hose. It gives you a little bit more leverage of moving stuff. But unfortunately, that thing broke off because it's so old. It literally just broke. You see that thing right there? It actually just broke in half and got in there. So now I gotta buy that. And it's coming from Amazon today. So there's a fuel pressure regulator. And we'll see the results once it cranks back up.